Good day. My name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and native topics. Today we're going to cover Mathematics N6. The topic of this tutorial is area bound by two curves. Let's get straight into it. Okay, when you see these on the exam paper or wherever you're writing it, right, you'll see something like this. Y is equal to x plus 2. You'll see something like this. And y is equal to x squared. Now in this case, it's a parabola. In this case, our graph will look something like this. Our graph will look something like this. And it's cut like so. So x and y. Okay. So what we know from this graph is that we want this area bound on the inside here. We want this area here. So to get that area, we need to get either the x coordinates or the y coordinates for each intersection point. And how we do that is because y is equal to each other. You go x squared is equal to x plus 2. Okay. Now, what we do is we move x plus 2 to the other side. So it's x squared plus or minus x minus 2 equals 0. Okay. So now what we have is our x coordinates. So that's minus 1. So now that's minus 2. So to get minuses, we'll say x is equal to minus 2 and x plus 1. What we're doing here is we are factorizing. We factorize x squared minus x minus 2. We factorized it in order to get these two here, and then x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 1. Okay, so there's two x's. So x1 and x2. Okay, we only need our x coordinates, which we have. So, the area bound here, you can also plug in any of these values to get a value for y. So we'll do that as well. So 2 goes into, so we plug in 2 to x squared. So y is equal to 2 squared, which is 4. Y is equal to 4. So that's 2 and 4. We plug x minus 1 into x squared, which is minus 1 squared is 1. Minus 1 squared is 1. So it's 1. So our coordinates are 2 and 4 and minus 1 and 1. So that's where we are, which makes sense because here's minus 1 and 1, and here is 2 and 4. But we need either the x coordinates or the y coordinates. Now it's much easier doing this with the x coordinates. So now what we're going to do is when it's area bound by two curves. So we have, so now when it's area bound by two curves, what we have is this. 2 and minus 1. Okay, what we have is Okay, so it's the first sum minus the second one. So it's 2 and minus 1, x plus 2 minus x squared. Okay, so now all we have to do is integrate dx. Now all we have to do is integrate, which is simple. That's x squared over 2 plus 2x minus x cubed over 3. And that is 2 and minus 1. Okay, so now all we have to do is take this sum and put them. Now we just have to input our upper value against our lower value. So this is 2 squared over 2 plus 2 times 2 minus 2 to the power 3 over 3. In a square bracket, minus minus 1 squared over 2 plus 2 times minus 1 minus minus 1 cubed over 3. Okay, now I would advise putting this in a calculator. I would put this in a calculator. And with that, you'll get 2 plus 4 minus 8 over 3 minus a half plus 2 minus 1/3. Okay, and all these numbers added up, added and minused and everything like that, you'll finally end up with 4,5 units squared. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It really helps with the algorithm and to grow the channel. Positive feedback is most welcome. I enjoy reading your comments. Please use the comments section to let me know what topics you'd like me to cover in upcoming videos. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.